Hello, ni hao. I'm Chef Tam. I'm gonna cook something for myself. Very hungry. Just got back from the gym. I have a few things to cook here. So first, I got this leftover rice. Now it's really sticky. It's a sticky rice. So it's gonna take a while to warm up the rice so they will separate it. Okay? And here I have some vegetable. Put it right here. And here I got some chicken just for myself. So maybe 4-ounce chicken. 4-ounce chicken, you probably marinate it with like 1 teaspoon beaten egg, couple teaspoon cornstarch, just to give them the binding. Mix it up, marinate it, drizzle some sesame oil. So you see they have a little like coating. Easier for you to cook, easier to brown. Give some oil to here. I'm going to move this right here. And I'm going to get 1 egg. Maybe crack it right here. This is the 12 inches commercial skillet. Okay, here, little ginger, little ginger, little ginger. Here, little garlic, little garlic, little garlic. It's fun, isn't it? Give them a stir. Cooper, settle down. Once you add the raw chicken in, let them sear for a few seconds before you give them a stir, so they will not stick together easy, you know? See how easy that is? I think the egg is good. Now we're gonna break the rice apart. Did you notice that? I am not hurry to season my food. You know what I'm saying? I make something very special, homemade. A little pouch. Huh? We are cooking. You are the boss. When you're in the kitchen, don't let people tell you what to do. Look at this. So the rice start getting softened. Beauty. Okay. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. A pinch of pepper. A pinch of pepper. A pinch of salt. Alright, the rice is good. The egg is good. I put the egg on the rice here. You see that? Now, the vegetable. A pinch of salt. A pinch of pepper. Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Now we're gonna season the chicken. This is a hoisin sauce. Oyster sauce. Little bit soy sauce. Like that. Give them a quick mix it up. Look at how beautiful. Yeah? Okay, we are about ready to eat. Put it nice and beautiful. I'm just gonna eat it out from this warm skillet. What do you think? Oh. 15 minutes, you got a meal. Sesame oil. Cooking is fun. You do it your own way. Right? All right, that's good. The chicken's done. This 12-inch skillet is a commercial skillet, non-stick. If you take good care of it, maybe use for like a couple years, 2-3 years. Just make sure don't use like metal spatula. You know, they call the whatever the out layer, the saffron, whatever thing. Don't scrape it out, damage. It's okay, like this. Look how beautiful, huh? Okay, done. Turn it off. I'm gonna get my utensil. Okay, a little bit sriracha right this way. Get a chopstick. Get a little piece of broccoli. See? Sorry, I talked to you. While you're eating the vegetable, get a little piece of chicken. And then, look at this beautiful. Be gentle, this is a metal spoon. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. Delicious. Get a little pea. So healthy and delicious. Nice and warm. I like eat my food while it's still hot. You know? Just rice a little burn at the bottom. Wow. That's a great way to eat.